Good morning, all of you. My name is Sharma, and today I'm here to present my project, which is on the hospitality data analysis. And before jumping right into the project, we just need to understand about the company. So basically, the company name is Atiliq Grands, and the company is basically the hotel chain company which own lots of properties in hotels, and we'll discuss about it later. And if I talk about the mission and vision of our project. So basically, the mission of the project is to leveraging data analytics to enhance the decision making, optimize the revenue, and regain market share in the competitive hospitality industry. And if I talk about the vision, so our vision is to become the leader in the hospitality data intelligence and provide actionable insights for the decision making and enhancing the customer experience. So this is a brief vision and mission. And if you want to talk lots of about mission and vision, you can see right here. Okay, so now the problem statement. We don't have a direct problem statement in this data set, so we need to do the free analysis. And if I talk about the free analysis, we need to create a dashboard according to the metric list. So company already provide the metric list to us, and we need to extract the relevant insights from the data set. Now, okay, so we need to use some terminologies in this project like ADR, DSR, and realization percentage. These are the terminologies we are going to use in our data analysis project. Okay, so what is ADR? ADR is basically average daily rate. It basically tells us about the average paid room sold in a given time period, right? Then DSRN is basically means the daily sellable room night, and in DSRN, this matrix tells like on an average how many rooms are ready to sell for a day in a given time period. Then realization percentage. Realization percentage is nothing but successfully checkout percentage in overall booking, right? And then in RevPAR is basically the revenue available per room. So this tells us how much hotel generate the revenue day considering the available rooms. Then DBRN is basically daily booked room night, right? This metrics basically tells us about how many rooms are booked for a day considering a time period. And then last DURN. DURN is just nothing but daily utilized room night. So basically, this metric tells us how many rooms are successfully utilized by the people in a given period of time, right? So these are the terminologies. Okay, so now we are going to interpret the data. After the cleaning process, we are going to do the data analysis part, the EDA part, right? Okay, so in the first, the total revenue. Basically, this first of all, the thing is this data is only for the 3 months data. The time period of this data is 3 months. So all the matrices and all the relevant graphs we are going to see is totally deals in 3 months of the data. So in total revenue, the company called Atliq Grand is generating about 1.71 billion in 3 months, uh, considering all the properties alone, right? Then average rating given by the customer. So this metrics tells this KPI basically tells that 3.62 is the average rating people give to each of the property, right? Then the booking status. Okay, so now the booking status, I put it here in the percentage form. So if you see the cancellation percentage, which is 24.83, the cancellation percentage is slightly low because people are more like the hospitality of the company of the hotel. Then occupancy percentage 57.87%. As you see that more than half of the rooms are already occupied by the customers. Then realization percentage, we talked about it already. So the realization percentage is 70.15. Basically, the 70% of the people are uh, successfully booked the rooms, right? So these are the status of the booking. Then we are going to talk about the room class wise revenue, right? In room class wise revenue, we have different type of class, basically four type of class: elite, premium, presidential, and standard. Okay, if you see that 32.79% of the uh, in the pie chart is is already gathered by elite class basic. So it means that elite class is the highest revenue generated class among the rooms. So then premium in considering premium class already get the share of 27.05%. Then presidential is 22.05%, and then standard. So this is the proper order of revenue generated by rooms according to their class. And if you see, the highest revenue generated is 560.27 million by the elite, and the lowest is 309.58 million, which is of standard class. Then we're going to talk about the category wise revenue. Okay, so this data contains the category, two type of category, right? Luxury and business. Okay, so in luxury, 61.61% of the revenue is generated by luxury class, which is more than half of the revenue of the company. And the rest of them is 38.39%, which is generated by the business class. So if you see that most of the people are uh, comes into the luxury category, right? Now, realization percentage and ADR by booking platform. Okay, so these are the bars which tells the realization percentage, and the line graphs tells the ADR, average daily rate, right? So in this, the bars is telling the different type of booking platform like long trip, journey, direct online, direct offline, others, make your trip, Tripster. So these are the different booking platform. And if you see that the first long trip, and you see the all the realization percent is kindly the same, 70.59, 70.52, 70.27. So it's almost same. But if you see the line graph is totally fluctuating. And if you see the highest ADR of a booking platform is direct offline, which barely touch 80%. And this is the highest of the all of them. And if you see the second one is Tripster. Tripster is almost at uh, 69.83%, and the lowest is direct online. So in this, we can interpret that most of the people are preferable to purchase the book or book the hotel through the direct offline mode, and the people are like, you can say, the least preferable method is direct online mode, right? Then these are the key matrices of all the properties. As I talk about that, Atliq Grand acquire lots of properties like Atliq Exotica, Atliq Palace, Atliq Bay, Atliq City. So these are all the matrices which tells all the things about these property, like the city, the average rating, the ADR, the DSRN, DBRN, etc. These are the matrices. So you can see directly here. Okay, so if I talk about the conclusion of this project, so we can say that the Atliq Grant performance shows positive revenue growth, high customer rating with areas for improvement, but and consistent demand. Okay, so premium room significantly contributing to revenue, indicating guest preference for higher end accommodations. Diversifying room offering is crucial, and basically the key strategic insight for the future marketing and operation. And this analysis basically highlight the robust performance and opportunity for growth and enhance guest satisfaction, right? Okay, so this is the dashboard in which I already put three type of filters by room, filter by week, filter by city. So you can easily get the details according to this filter. The KPIs are there: total revenue, total booking, total capacity of the room, then average rating, then the booking status, and other matrices. Okay, so this is all about this project. Thank you so much. And if you want to contact with me, here's my Gmail ID, and I will meet you soon with the next project session. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.